The desert seems quiet, but danger is buried just beneath the sand. A snake waits without moving, feeling every vibration, tracking every step. The mouse searches for food, unaware it has entered the strike zone.
In a flash, attack. The snake erupts from the sand faster than the eye can see.
The mouse fights back, kicking, twisting, but the grip tightens with deadly precision. Powerful coils wrap tighter. Each breath becomes harder than the last. The struggle ends. The desert reclaims its silence until the next hunt begins.